Hold pala yung mamay. Oo, puyat. Walang mga nakaano. Tulala. Kakagising lang namin. Tulog pa.
Out of bounds. Thank you,
Go,
man.
Jayden.
Trying to go for three. No. Second point.
Ay!
Bounce.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Basket for two. Infinity started the scoring by two.
Defense! Defense! Oh, defense!
What a turnaround to strong. Number 7 bounce. Not too strong.
Baba, baba!
Infinity's running.
Ay!
Out of bounds.
Sayang.
Loose ball.
Defense, kuya.
Check your man. Check your man.
Uy! Uy! Yun, nice!
Short.
Nice one! Okay up! It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Infinity ball! Ay!
Cell ball.
Ayaw pag
Hoops ball.
bibigay pa ni ano. Nice one.
And a steal.
Yes! Galing naman nun. Oy!
Okay, foul committed. Foul on jersey number 4. That's your first personal foul.
Francis, maaga pa.
Foul. Infinity.
Kasabay!
You're up. Yes, sir. For two.
Attack!
10 seconds to shoot. Rebound. Hoops on the run. Number 12. Pops. Help ball.
Air ball.
Infinity ball.
Nice one, kuya! Go, kuya!
Puyat pa yan! Puyat yan!
Bonus free throw. That's your first personal foul and first team foul. Oops. Bonus free throw for Malyari.
Pasok!
Yes, sir.
Ay! Ay! Huli!
Diving for the ball.
Infinity ball!
Ball for hoops.
Uy! Walang kwan, di ba? Double team. Last
Number 2
one!
bounce. Yes, sir. It's a basket. Out of bounds. Fourth shot. Give up by jersey number 12. Yes, sir. Number 2. It's a hairline lead.
Go, kuya! Ay!
Out of bounds.
Uy, magtawagan kayo! Ah, patay na kayo niyan.
El Sayed, please tuck in your jersey.
Uy, palitan. Yung number 2.
Take the one.
Oops, ball.
Ref, walang palitan? Wala silang palitan? Hindi pinalitan eh.
Clear. No. Rebound by Infinity. To score.
Oy, same ball! Same ball!
Step back, no. First shot. No.
Uy, mga tao!
Foul committed. Foul on jersey number
Ba't di sila
13.
nagpalit ng players?
That's your first personal
Kompleto
foul.
naman sila.
Second team foul.
Paisa-isa na.
Oo nga, bakit ganon?
Hindi naman siguro.
Pasa rin? Parang napapasa rin ito eh.
Ang sayaw. Ang ball of face na in your shirt.
Optional ngayon?
Sa kanila walang ano kung
First draw.
yung ibang player.
Yes, sir. It's a deadlock. 7-all. Last draw. For the win.
Gyros.
Sorry.
Gyros. Hindi, na-miss lang namin si Eros. Nakatayo na si Coach Shab. 7-7 na.
Hindi pa sila gising. Mga third quarter magigising yung mga yan.
Sa configuration, untouched only.
Go, Rona!
Yes, sir. Two. Foul was called.
Ah?
Foul on jersey number 8. Foul. That's your first personal foul. And third team foul, Infinity. Sideline inbound. Hoops.
Still! Still! Nice one! Yes! Hoy, travel! Go!
Still by Infinity.
Foul!
Let's go. Foul on jersey number 12. Hit. 2 free throw will be awarded.
Ay, grabe ka naman. Kanina nga, wala nga foul eh.
Last draw.
Sirereklamo niya, bakit daw foul? Kuha!
When it's called, 2 free throw will be awarded. It's a hit to the hand. Warning for penalty. Infinity.
Hmm?
Warning na agad. Ang aga naman.
Yes, sir.
Sino?
Last draw for the equalizer. Aser, yes, sir. Second deadlock at 9.
Go, Kalen!
No?
Uli!
Yes, sir. Basket for 2. Hoops on top by 2.
Foul!
Almost a block. Hit to the head. Foul on jersey number 7. Push. 2 free throw will be awarded.
Puyat pa naman. Puyat.
Hindi pa kasi kumakain na.
Sapay sa pana.
Last round. Yes, sir.
Nice one, Nick. Ay,
Okay, acknowledge substitution.
sino? Ano?
Acknowledge.
Sino hindi? Yung number? Ay, pagod yan mamaya.
Yes, sir.
Sige, pagurin nyo lang. Ay, sayang. Ay! sayang.
Uy!
Yes!
Okay, it's double team. Warning, double team for Infinity.
Hindi still niya yun? Still yun eh. Double team. Four.
Okay, hit. 2 free throw will be awarded.
Grabe naman.
An act of shooting. Infinity now under penalty.
Galit naman to coach yun.
Yes!
Serve.
Diretso!
30 seconds. Out of line. Foul on jersey number 29. Infinity now under penalty.
Galing niya eh. Magaling. Ano magaling ba? Hindi ko alam kung 20 ano.
Ano po. Headset pa.
Okay, it's a violation. Not touching the rim.
Sige, iwanan mo!
20 seconds.
Yan.
15.
Wow!
10 seconds. 5.
Ako, nag-double team ka.
Okay, technical for double teaming. One free throw for Hoops. 2 seconds remaining.
Sa toilet.
Time out! Hoops. Two seconds remaining.
May play si coach.
Sideline inbound. Okay, that's the end of the first quarter.
Tagal nga ano,
Running
two
score
seconds.
13-12. One.
Shoot lang na shoot.
Reserve of number 2. Okay, foul was called. Foul on jersey number 18. That's your first personal foul and first team foul in Infinity.
Francis, Spider-Man!
Nice one!
Steal.
Sige!
2 stop.
Nice one! Yes! Still!
Numberman.
Spider-Man!
Huli mo!
Spider-Man!
Huli mo, Francis!
Spider-Man!
Hands up ka lang! Nice one! Yes!
Basket for 2.
Still!
Run by Infinity.
Kanino anak yun?
Spider-Man! Spider-Man!
Yes, sir. Basket for 2.
Ayun! Ayun! Pasok! Yes! Defense! Defense! 3! Steal!
Uy! Wala.
Ay!
Serve by Purdue.
Oh my
Go, go, Jaden! Go! Ay! Isa pa! Ay! Isa pa!
Violation.
Kuya! Kuya! Nice one! Nice one! Nice D! Nice D, kuya! Nice D! Yes!
Okay.
Ay,
Foul was called.
ang nipis ah!
Substitution ref.
Ang nipis.
Asser. Yes, sir. Basket for two. What a nice assist.
Nice one! Yes! Sander!
David.
Oh, okay.
Block from behind. Malyari.
Yes! Hoy,
Gising na, gising na. Gising na sila.
sige, kunin mo, Dave. Sige!
Bacha! Bacha!
Not too strong. Malyari.
Ah, hindi mo nilaban!
Okay, out of out. Substitution ref.
Hindi pa nilaban.
Time out. Infinity. Tuck in your shirt.
Sino pinasok? Ayan lang ang gagawa. Sino kaya magbabantay dito? Oo. Ay!
Rebounds.
Ayun, si Ronan. Uy! Uy!
No! Too strong. Second chance point, no?
Uy! Ano yun?
Ano yun?
Okay, technical 2.
Agawan ng buko.
Ano yun? Ano na foul yun? Double team pa rin?
Nag-aagawan ng bola yun eh.
Nakagawa ng bola eh.
Grabe.
Ang long yan. Wait ng bata.
Okay.
Okay, nice one.
Same possession. Team control.
Four, three. Uy! Uy!
Yes, sir. Basket for two. on 13. That's your first personal foul. First team foul.
Sino foul?
Okay, last round. Too strong. Angelo. Net. Yes, sir. Basket two. Foul on jersey number 13. That's your second personal foul, Marcelo. Bonus free throw for Moe. Mo. No, a foul was called on Angelo. Foul on jersey number 10, pushing foul. For the first draw. No. Last draw. No?
Uy, foul!
Good shot. Second chance point, yes sir.
Bakit walang
Basketball
foul?
team.
Pag sa kabilaan ni Bes.
Yes sir. Basketball team.
Double team! Double team! Double team!
Okay, warning hoops for double teaming. Timeout Infinity. That's your last timeout Infinity.
Tagal naman ni Coach. Maglaro ka na kaya? Ay!
Steal. Angelo.
Okay! Nice one!
Steal. Nice timing. Yes sir.
Yes.
Basketball team.
Oy!
Angelo. Clear it.
Nice one!
What a nice block. your first personal foul and second team foul, Hoops. Okay, stop. Bonus free throw. Pumps too
Ay!
strong.
Ay!
Out of bounds, cannot control the ball.
Sayang yun. Nice
But
one!
still again. Pumps.
Ay! Oy! Oy, ayun na! Gaitos! Sayang!
Attacking the basket underneath. No. 35 seconds remaining. Twenty-eight seconds.
Hoy, time! Uy! Taas na may ten!
More, yes sir. Basket for two. 15 seconds.
Ano nangyari kay ano?
10. 5 seconds.
Ay, binato.
Okay, that's the end of the second quarter.
Kaya pala. Lalo pala.
Running.
Pwede naman mag-sub.
Francis!
Uy.
Home. Attacking the basket, too strong.
Go, kuya! Ay, sayang.
It's a double dribble. That's a violation.
Totoo eh, si Raulo. Niloloko, nagtitiptoe.
Ali, closely guarded.
Okay.
Out of bounds.
Ano nangyayari? Sub, sub!
Okay, substitution rep.
Wala pang ginagawa sa'yo si Caleb eh.
Nakatalikod si Caleb tapos siya gumugulo.
Eh, pag nabunggo mo. Eh sis, pag nabunggo pa yan, eh talaga hindi na makakatayo. Ha?
Nakatalikod tapos biglang natumba eh.
Tapos baka isisip ang foul eh.
Sige!
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Bakit palang foul?
Powerful move.
Nice one! Ay,
Ali. 10 seconds to shoot. May no. In and out. Let's visit the rim.
Shoot na yan! Ay!
Relax! Bakit tumira? Ay, sira ang tulog. Sira ang yun.
14 seconds to shoot.
Drive!
Ay, nalay.
Lane violation.
Nice one! Nice D! Nice D! Kanino anak yan?
Ali. For shot. Yes, sir! Nasa foul score. Foul on jersey number 7. That's your 77. That's your
Kuya!
second
Sige!
personal foul.
Kunin mo yung bola sa kanya.
Foul, Infinity.
Kunin mo yung bola sa kanya.
Bonus free throw. Yes, sir. Completing a 3-point play.
Stop!
Dali, dali!
Yes!
Yes, sir. Basket for 2.
Easy basket!
Tinatabi si Shaggy dahil para lumabas sila lahat.
Oo. Okay, travel!
Substitution rep. As a receipt.
Galing nung marketing nila. Pinapasok niya.
Francis!
Yes! Nakakachamba?
Yes, sir. It's a basket. Plus a foul score on jersey number 11. That's your first personal foul and second team foul. Infinity.
Ano naman nilareklamo niya? Tambakan niyo yan. Sige, Sander, kaya mo yan.
Miscommunication.
Nice one. Hoy, double team yun ah. Oh, double team na naman. Double team.
Ilang minuto na?
Sige, atak, atak. Yes.
Francis, pantay mo!
Sige, kunin mo, Francis.
Thomas. Say my hook. Yes, sir. What a nice play by Thomas.
Balik! Balik!
Help ball.
Infinity ball.
Possession arrow seat. Infinity.
Infinity ball.
Kailang jumble na kayo. Ball eh.
Ilang seconds? Uy, tumitira si Kuya. Ay!
Strong. No? Yes, sir. Basketball two.
Bakit pag kay Sander walang foul?
Power is winning.
Sige, tambakan nyo! Yan lang. Nice one! Uy! Bola yun!
Into the head.
Grabe naman.
Foul on jersey number 04. That's your second
Quarter na
personal
ba?
foul.
Third pa lang?
Third team foul. Infinity.
Ayun na naman, nagre-reklamo na naman.
Yes, sir.
Asan? Nice! Yes! Wala kayo sa Lakers. Lakers yan eh. Go, Muhammad. Sige! Kapitan naman!
Foul was called. It's warning for penalty. Infinity.
May poprotesta na naman kayo? Lahat na pinrotesta nyo?
No.
Oo nga.
Last throw for Ali.
Pagod na yan. Hindi niya ano eh. Nice one! Oy, foul! Diretso! Diretso! Yes! Mag-back out na lang.
Foul was called. Substitution rep. Penalty on Infinity. Sub.
Ross ang matawag sa siguro niya, Ross.
Pasok. Knowledge. That's before the first throw.
Ba't nila ba si ano?
No? Last throw.
Cute.
Yes, sir.
Triple team na!
Yes, sir.
Hoy, triple team yun!
Triple team! Walang tawag!
Nice one! Nice D!
Save ball.
Nice D, Kalen! Sige, tambakan nyo! Tambakan nyo! Hoy!
No, yes, sir. Basketball two.
Fourth quarter na ba?
And it's steal! What a nice steal! Completing the play for two.
Go, Cam! Hi, Jairus!
Miscommunication. It's a turnover.
Nice one!
Out of bounds. 58 seconds remaining. 58 seconds. seconds remaining. Attacking the basket, oh, too strong. Almost, but not quite.
Sige, kaya mo yan, Roland.
Oh. Double team!
Double team, oh!
Yes, sir. Basket for two. 30 seconds.
Nice one! Nice steal!
Sayed. Malyari.
Double team.
Left to shoot. Yes,
Yes!
sir. 15 seconds.
Walang double team, ha?
Sige, kunin mo!
Kunin mo, Cam!
5.
Defense team!
Yes!
No, that's the end of the third quarter.
Inaantok na kami.
Puyat kami, oh.
Wag. Okay lang. Pabigyan natin pa na ngayon. Okay na.
What a nice play! Yes, sir, by Lucas.
Wait!
And a steal. Let's go. Back-to-back
Bakit
basket.
hindi nito? Oh!
What a nice block. By jersey number 5.
Walang foul?
Lucas.
Walang foul sa atin. Drive ka! Huwag ka to.
Too strong. Block. Set to shoot.
Yes!
For two.
Yan na.
Sino ba sa'yo? Si Lucas? Bantayan mo!
Two! One! All right!
Okay, foul was called.
Ay!
On jersey number 04.
Uy, wala
That's your third personal foul.
Nakakapalas lang.
Oo.
First team foul.
Pupush yung gagawin.
Infinity. Okay, foul was called. Foul on jersey number 29. Holding foul.
Kalen, shoot pa, ha? Mag-shoot pa.
First personal foul, second team foul. No? Almost a steal, but not completed. Out of bounds. Sub. Angelo Izin.
Coach, pasok mo na si Sander.
Malaki to, oh.
Tao mo, Francis!
No? Second chance point, too strong.
Foul!
Foul was called.
Thank you, ref!
That's 30.
Thank you, ref!
First personal foul. First team foul.
Baba! Mag-drive ka! Tira sa labas! Shoot!
Ay, sayang.
Rebound by Omar. A foul was called. Foul on jersey number 29.
Dapat yun na yan.
That's your second personal foul, third team foul.
Napahabol.
Lucas! Rock! Angelo. To the beat. No. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. Mo is in.
Sander, pasok ka na.
Sub tapos is in. Time out.
Hindi na pa time out.
Lucas Infante.
Hoy, time! Nice one! Okay, tapon.
Sibon.
Hoy, bola natin. Okay.
Okay, that's a foul, that's a push. That's your fourth and warning for early ejection. Jersey number 04. Yes, sir. For two.
Hands up ka lang. Go, Cam! Go, Cam! Ayun na naman, double team sa kanila.
Okay, it's a technical, it's a double team. Okay, substitution rep. Sub. Team control. Oops. No? Okay, technical, double team.
Puro free throw niyan, tsaka technical sa 4 points na yan, para makahabol. Francis, stop! Francis!
14 seconds to shoot. Find your man.
Ulay! Ulay!
Time out. Infinity. Time remaining 4 minutes. 30.
Double team!
Yes, sir. Basket for two.
Oh! Hoy, Lai! Huli! Huli! Huli!
And the steal.
Ay!
Lalo, no. Marcelo. Yes, sir. Basket for two.
Huli!
Substitution rep. Hamzat Ali is in.
Para magkapatid to, no? Mukha silang twins.
Si 6 tsaka si
Si two. Twins sila.
Parang.
Shot. Anes Sisin. And a steal. Counter steal.
Hoy, foul!
It's carrying the ball. That's a violation. Carlos ball reached in foul. Okay, first casualty of the ball game. Sir Horn at your fifth and final foul. Timeout, Hoops.
Magaling ka kasi.
Last
Magaling
throw
ka kasi.
for Ali.
Kaya nga, manipis ang tawag sa akin.
Carlalo attacking the basket, block. David. Yes sir, basket for two.
Slow down! Slow down! Slow down!
Ali to Angelo. Angelo for two.
Talent, slow down na lang! Slow down! Slow down!
Climbing up the ladder.
Go for full team!
Yes sir, basket for two. Last 2 minutes.
Nice one, kuya! Okay!
Nice dribbling!
Go, Kalan! Ay, isa pa!
Wala talaga si... Wala talaga si Kalan ngayon. Isa pa! Ay, double team!
Double!
Double team!
Substitution rep.
Walang technical yon?
What if it costs us
Sub.
Yeah, but that was double team. Everyone's...
Time remaining 1 minute 31 seconds.
Gusto pa na. Takbo na yan. Nice team!
Nice shot, nice shot. 1 minute 22 seconds.
Nice defense!
Ay! Sayang!
1 minute 13 seconds.
Parang na ano si Kuya, dapat bola nila eh.
Nice shot!
Mahalo score.
Double team!
1 minute. Exacto 1 minute. Two free throw will be awarded to Hamza. No shot.
Kuya, use the board, kuya. Zeki, use the board.
Nice shot.
Nice one.
Seconds to play. 1S.
Foul, oh. Nice
Kick
one.
out.
Ay.
Watch foul, watch. Sige, foul.
Ay, ay.
Wallace foul. Two free throw.
One possession that they didn't call foul.
Yes, sir. Last throw. 43 seconds remaining. A violation. Sub. 43 seconds. Seconds.
Dribble it out! Zeke, dribble it out!
10 to shoot. Yes, sir.
Ganda na
Anak ko yan!
20 seconds. Ten
Ay,
seconds.
kuya! Kuya. Ay, double tap!
2 seconds.
Yo, no defense, no defense. Mohammad, no defense.
4 seconds. 4 seconds.
No defense, no defense.
It's okay, let them to shoot! Let them to shoot!